Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word definite. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The date for the meeting is still not definite, but we are aiming for next Thursday. Definite means clear, certain, or exact. In this sentence, it is referring to the uncertain date of the meeting that has not been finalized or decided upon. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.